Hey guys, it's your girl Bree here. What is up? Who else is ready for St. Patrick's Day? I know I am. And if you're ready to rock this beautiful halo green eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead and did my brows off camera. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills in soft brown, and then I went ahead and used LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my eyes, and then I went ahead and set it with the Peach Perfect Too Faced to set the eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in and start on the eyes. I'm going in with Violet Voss Essentials palette. I'm going to be using the Emerald shade, just really pretty green color right here. And I'm going to be doing a halo eye today, so I'm going to use these ones on the edges of the eye. Going in with the Morphe M321 pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and go start at the edge of the eye and just slowly pack that on. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm going to go in the inner corner. Artistry palettes. I'm going to go ahead and use these two lime green colors to blend out the work I did. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the crease to warm up that emerald green. There you can see that I went ahead and blended out that lime green color, and it's like all up in the crease, and I kind of like had it go out a little bit in the corner. Brought it out here. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Going back in with that emerald color and a pencil brush. I'm going to start right in the corners. I'm leaving the middle part blank though, so then I can go ahead and put in my other green color like right in the center, and that's what creates the halo eye. And then slowly working it up into the crease to connect to the other side. Like I said, I'm leaving this area completely blank, so then we can put the other color right in the center. Just blending up into the crease. Back in with that Morphe palette, I'm going to go ahead and pick up this shimmery green goldish shade and put it right in the center of the lid. That is so pretty. Yeah. Give me that pot of gold, baby. Sorry it's been so long since I made a video. I've been super busy lately. My sister came into town. She lives in Sacramento. So I don't see her that often. She came in for her birthday. That was super fun. Had a beach day. Took her to my job where I work at a restaurant. Super nice. We went on a hike that she made me go on. She knows how much I love hiking. And then we partied with some of my coworkers. It was fun. It's a good time. Miss her already. Go back in with that dark shade, like I said, from the Violet Voss, the emerald color, and deepen the edges out so then you can really see it. And I'll be right back. ahead and just swipe over it a little bit just to blend it out so it doesn't look so like harsh. Now that the top is completely done, I'm not going to go in with any eyeliner because then it's going to cover up all the work that I did for a halo eye. That's just how halo eyes work. But I am going to go ahead and start on the lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with that emerald color and do the lower lash line. And then I'm also going to add this creamy eye pencil that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow in Pearl. With the whole toilet paper thing, it's kind of weird. In grocery stores, getting all their stuff out of stock. It reminds me of the zombie apocalypse a little bit. Not gonna lie. It's like if that were to happen, this is what's going on right now. Because people are treating it like it's a zombie apocalypse. It's freaking me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in that gold and then go right under the green. I'm going to be using Lily Lashes today in the style Luxie? Light Mink, an everyday natural lash. Only so I can see the halo when it like comes through. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put these bad boys on. Anybody else have lash problems? Anybody else lashes are not their fave? Try and play me. Okay, I also decided that I wanted a little bit more depth on the lower lash line, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this dark green color to smoke out the lash line because I need something a little bit more intense. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. See? I made the right decision. What a difference that can make. Alright, let's see if these lashes are going to be good to me. Okay, so I went ahead and got my lashes on. They're looking nice and fluttery. LA Girl Pro Prep. Prep in the face. If there's any in here. I'm going to go ahead and rub this all over my face. It's Friday the 13th. Hope nothing crazy happens today. Actually, I think it's the 14th now. It's after midnight, never mind. It was Friday the 13th. Craziness. Alright, so got that on. Now I'm going to go ahead and go with L'Oreal. Their new Infallible Total Cover Full Coverage Foundation. And this shade is Natural Beige 305. I like to use a combination of drugstore and higher end brands. I like both of them. Different reasons, obviously. One is more affordable for my pocket, and then the other one quality, but sometimes the quality is in the drugstore, so you can't really say one is better than the other just because of the cost of it. And I'm sure many people have experienced that. Going in with the Sigma flat kabuki brush. I'm sure people can vouch for that, because that is why so many people like to use drugstore, because some of their stuff is way better than high end, and well, you can save some coin on it. So, why wouldn't you? Alright, I'm brushing up, not down, in the middle. But yeah, so I like to use a combination of both. Sometimes I like to treat myself, sometimes all the way down the neck. If something came out, like I said, the Nicole Guerrero ABH times ABH just got restocked, so I took full advantage of that deal, because last time it sold out so fast and I was so disappointed. So this time I was like, oh hell no. Definitely grabbing her. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with concealer. I'm gonna be using LA Girl in Porcelain, shade Porcelain. Powder. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. I don't know if like scents are supposed to be good for your face though. I don't know the tea on that. My roommate told me the other day that somebody got stabbed over some water. I was like, what the hell? It's freaking crazy. Over some water? Come on, guys. Come on now. That's freaking scary. I have a Brita, so I'm good on water. I'll go ahead and use this NYX palette. I haven't used it in a minute. This warm shade right here. Today for blush, I'm going to be going in with Ciate London. I also got this in a BoxyCharm Bold Light Dusk. So this pretty shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Nicole Guerrero. This is times Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I'm going to be going in with a Glow Getter. That's what I am. I love glow. I love chasing after gold. I love chasing after glow. Who doesn't love glow? Who doesn't love glow? But the nose. Look her up. Okay. And then there we go. Waited forever. The top of the arch. Hit it one time, 2 times. Okay, and then on this side as well. Oh yes, I'm a glow getter. Give it to me. Woo. So good. Love it. Love it a lot. Who says you can't have too much highlight? With the lips, I'm going to go ahead and use Anastasia Beverly Hills On Mute, a little liquid lipstick. I'm going to try putting in a little bit of gloss, which is NYX Better Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee, because I want to give it a little something. Put it right in the middle. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. Get me all dewified. Okay. Smells good. I'm on a diva, is a family of a hustler. Fiance thought is dewy now because the setting spray too. Would you do this look if you were going out to St. Patrick's Day in your honey pot of gold with this look? Do you think you'd find it? Yeah, I'm not mad at it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Hopefully when St. Patrick's Day comes along, you know what look to go to, you know what I'm saying? So anybody can rock it, anybody, you know, can simplify it also. So if this is too much for you, it's all good. You can always tone it down. Like I said, only do like a green lower lash line, do some green glitter, do anything you like with the neutral lip, and you'll be good to go. So I hope everyone has an awesome St. Patrick's Day. Have fun. Don't drink too much green beer. And I'll see you guys in the next one. This ish hurts sometimes when you take it off. I'm just like, oh my god. It just ripped off my whole freaking eyelash. Not bad. Not bad. Didn't even see that. What's it called? Tastes kind of like peaches. What the hell? Weird. I need to stop saying Okay. Is she smaller yet? A little bit. She better text me back, punk. My lippies. Not lippies, I only have one lip, doofus. So one lip. I use for my lips. And that one is way too pale.